what about some doctors who going to USA after doing PG? Please understand this very, very clearly. The US PG option, okay? Please understand this clearly. You cannot directly go to US and settle if you have done PG from India. I told you earlier only. If you have done a PG from India, okay, and you wish to go to America to do fellowship, yes, you can go, provided you have cleared step 1, step 2 CK, CS, and step 3 USMLE examination. Okay, you can definitely go for fellowship. But can you settle there? Will you get a license there? No, you won't. After completing fellowship, you have to come back to India. If you wish to settle in America, you have to repeat the PG there, because Indian PG degree is not recognized. The only PG recognized there is a radiology. MD radiology is the only degree recognized. Rest all specialization is not recognized. So, I mean, if you want to actually ultimately settle in America, why waste 3 years doing PG in India? Why would you do that? Typically, you won't, right? All right. Now, what are the next few questions? Quickly, let us, see that as well. For doing PG in Germany, how much does it cost? The cost of your total investment, not to do PG. PG again, it is free in America, it is free in Germany also. But until you get admission, you have to prepare for German language, you have to prepare for German license examination. So just like USMLE, the total expenditure in German process is also 20 lakh Indian rupees. Okay. And after that, once you get a PG in Germany, your minimum salary starts with around 3,000 euros. Okay, I will quickly show you that as well. Palak, that will give you a clarity. So whether US or Germany, but only thing is German is a one-way route. So that's the reason why people are not going to consider in the first look. People will only consider if they don't get into India or US. So what happens is in German process, you have to first prepare for your languages. So students who are very clear, they don't want to come back to India and settle in America, from second, third year of MBBS, start preparing for these examinations. German language A1, A2, B1. Then they go to Germany and prepare for B2, C1 TELC, and medical terminology. Appear for the first license exam called as Fachsprüfung, that is German language medical terminology examination. After which you can enroll for an observership for German hospital. Okay. During observership, of course, you have to pay your tuition fees and everything. Okay. Once you are successfully completing your observership, you get a work permit. After you get work permit, you can go for approbation. It is like internship, okay, where you can join a hospital as an assistant doctor and you can get a stipend of 2,300 euro. This is still not PG. During approbation, you have to clear the non-competitive examination called as KSP, Kenntnisprüfung. Once you clear this exam, that is when your PG starts. And typically PG is of 3 years, and then you start earning about 3,500 per month as a package while you are doing PG. And of course, getting a blue card is easy. Like in US, it is called as green card. In Germany, to settle, you require blue card. So getting a blue card is easy if you're a physician, okay, from India.